5 mistakes you should never make when you eating oatmeal. A traditional breakfast is oatmeal. And if you believe it to be a monotonous, simple meal consisting solely of carbohydrates, you should reconsider. Make it properly, and you'll have a bowl of oats that is perfectly balanced with the proper amounts of fat, protein, and carbohydrates to keep you feeling full and content until noon. And you should definitely make it tasty. Because of the fiber, eating oatmeal in the morning keeps you full for several hours. Of course, there are a few typical blunders you'll want to avoid if you want to make your oatmeal as healthful as possible. But don't worry. This video will show you how to make the most of your upcoming hearty meal. 1. Having more. Oatmeal is a healthful food, but sometimes people consume too much of it. They will start with 1 cup dry and double it instead of starting with 1 cup cooked. A half cup is the recommended serving size for dry oats. That works out to 150 calories, with another 150 or so for toppings. With that, you can have a satisfying breakfast without going overboard with calories and feeling overly full. 2. You add too much sugar. Avoiding too much sugar is a wise decision, but using artificial sweeteners is not. Artificial sweeteners decrease good gut bacteria in addition to increasing appetites for sugar and carbohydrates. Savage advises using fresh fruit or a small quantity of natural sugar like dates, honey, or maple syrup to sweeten your dish instead. 3. Pour a huge amount of dried fruit on top. How horrible can dried fruit really be? After all, it's just fruit. Well, because dried fruit has lost all of its water content, it has a far more concentrated sugar level than fresh fruit. Furthermore, certain types have sugar coatings on them. 4. Get flavored instant oatmeal. Speaking of instant oatmeal, there is a cost associated with the convenience of those little flavor packs. The majority of quick oatmeal is sugar-filled. Ordinarily, people don't purchase packages of plain oatmeal. They are purchasing delightful variety. However, if you're still obsessed with rapid gratification, search for the plain kind. 5. You cut corners on good fats. It is emphasizes how crucial it is to include good fats, as oats don't contain much. Not to mention nuts and nut butter, which are packed full of good fat. We suggest flax, chia, or seeds. Just to be quite clear, oats are completely healthy in and of themselves. Oatmeal is undoubtedly a good option for breakfast. You get the right amount of fat, fiber, and protein for comparatively few calories. This video will definitely help for that. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.